For cylinder pressure indication in combustion engines, the portfolio of precise piezoelectric pressure sensors offers solutions for every development phase, from compact miniature sensors to water-cooled variants and individually designed measuring spark plugs. Direct-mounted cylinder pressure sensors are the preferred solution for accurate pressure indication in combustion engines. They deliver precise, stable, and reliable measurement results. For the preparation and installation, the following tools and equipment is needed. The required mounting key and torque wrench can be found in the data sheet. After unpacking, a visual inspection must be carried out to ensure that the sensor and cable are in good condition. Clean the cable connector and the BNC adapter with Kistler cleaning spray and let it dry for at least 2 minutes. Alternatively, you can use clean, dry compressed air from a can to speed up the process. The contact area of the plug must not be touched after cleaning. For insulation testing, the sensor is connected to the insulation tester. The required insulation resistance for piezoelectronic sensors is at least 10 teraohm. Inspect the mounting bore in the cylinder head. The sealing surface must be clean and free of scratches or deposits to ensure proper sealing. A specific reaming tool can be used to rework the sealing surface in bores of front sealing sensors. Detailed information can be found in the operating instructions. Before installing the sensor, adjust the torque wrench according to the data sheet, then carefully insert the sensor into the mounting tool. Apply a small amount of grease to the thread. The sealing surface and the diaphragm must remain free of grease. Carefully insert the sensor into the bore. Pay special attention not to damage the thread, diaphragm, and sealing surface. Tighten the sensor by hand, turning the cable as well. Afterwards, you can apply the specified mounting torque with the preset torque wrench. Clean the cable connector again and connect the sensor to the indicating system. After parameterizing the sensor data in the indicating system, the cylinder pressure sensor is ready for use and delivers precise measurement results with the highest data quality. For removal, untighten the sensor with a torque or open-end wrench and unscrew it by hand. Don't forget to always turn the cable as well. Check the sensor and cable for deposits or damage. Deposits can be removed with a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol or Kistler cleaning spray. Before storage, finally check the insulation resistance to ensure the sensor is in good condition for the next use. With a careful handling and regular inspections, precise and reliable measurement results can be ensured. Kistler offers comprehensive services near you. Contact us to learn more.